Any like injuries that have come up, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Just wear and tear.
Yeah. Just, yeah, no injury.
Yeah, okay, good. Good. How have the feet been feeling?
Like the bottom or like?
Just because I adjusted them last time, I know like basketball beats the heck out of your feet. Like I didn't know.
My balance been way better. Just landing up and down, and just like my ankles in general.
Yeah, we want to stay on top of that because that's like anybody I see who plays basketball, man, their feet are just, it's so much constant pressure and you may not feel some of that tightness. So we want to make sure that we're getting that, loosened up so that I can absorb all that force. Because I mean, you said you're in the gym like 10 hours a day, 8 hours a day?
Exactly.
Yeah.
Like, that's a lot.
That's good, man. That's good. Better than what most, what are you, 18, 19?
19.
19? Better than most 19-year-olds are doing.
Yeah, playing video games.
That's right, man. Wasting, looking down, wrecking their neck, right?
They got
Sit up nice and tall for me.
No, I know
a lot of
crazy.
arthritis, wear and tear in their neck. It's crazy. But we'll get a little deeper into the hips with you today.
Okay.
But we always want to start with the neck. Okay, so right there. 1 second. Very good. Very good. So your neck's doing much better than last time I saw you for sure.
Good.
Very good. Very good. All right, go face down for me, Jordyn.
Got you. And you said, like chiropractic help with a lot of like with sleep as well too, right?
Yeah, absolutely. How you been sleeping?
I've been sleeping like okay, just as far as like with my neck been, or
Neck
like
just
my
a little
back,
stressed?
my back.
Okay. Lower back?
It's like really like in my scapula.
Okay. Mid back there. Got you. A little tighter on the right there. Yeah, sleep going to be honestly one of the most important things that you got to focus on when you're in the gym that much. Big deep breath in. All the way out there. Very good. So you got a little bit of tension on the right here. One more time, big deep breath in. All the way out there. Good. Okay, so this hip is rocked a little bit down. It's pretty tight on that left side. So we want to work more on the mobility, but we got to make sure that the joint is moving properly. Your low back's pretty tight too. All the jumping you're doing is going to give you a lot of that stress too. So I feel more tightness on the left in general. Okay. Go on your side, face this way. Good, straighten that one, bend the top. Relax your head down there. Very good. Very good. Other side there. That's the one you needed, man. So tuck this a little bit that way. Good. Very good. Now go face down again for me. We're gonna work on those hips a little more now. But so this will be like, not quite like massage work, but it's a little bit more like active kind of releasing.
All right. Got you.
Both effective, but just this is gonna be a little bit more aggressive, I guess you could say. Do they have anybody on the team that's doing this?
No, the trainer has been like stretching me like 2 times a day. Just like regular stretching, but not this.
Yeah. Right there. That's a pretty nasty spot, huh? But these muscles, like once you get in the upper hip here, they're like your lateral movers, right? Your side to side, you're shuffling, which you're doing like a lot of. So we got to make sure that the brain, the body can, let me lower this for you, can engage those muscles properly at the right time, right?
Right.
Bend the knee here. Same kind of thing for like an offensive lineman in football, right? You got to have that quick feet or you're going to get beat.
Right.
So that's the kind of stuff I look at when I'm watching basketball players. I'm like, why did they get beat on like that, that crossover or that maneuver, at one point in the game, but not the other, right?
Right.
Sometimes they'll fall, something in your foot gets banged up. You guys are landing on the hardwood all over the place. You feel tighter on this side?
For sure.
Okay. So I think because your left SI joint is getting fixated and locked up, you're overusing the right.
Okay.
That's why you're tighter over here.
Right.
So we just got to kind of get a little bit more balanced. All right, that's much better there. Let's get some motion pumped through the sacrum here. You're doing pretty good. It's just, this is just going to happen when you're in the gym that much,
Right.
Anything we can do to help that rehab process. No low back pain when I'm doing this?
No.
Okay, good.
I feel a little bit of tension in my lower back, but...
When I bring your heels in?
Right. No pain, no.
So now we're going to really come at you with the stick here. This is going to be a little more aggressive again. You feel that spot right there?
Yeah.
Breathe through that for me, deep breaths. We're going to check your hip flexors in front here as well afterwards.
Okay.
Tightness in the front can lead to tightness in the back. Not always about where we feel it. What's that out of 10 right there?
That's a solid 8.
Okay, yeah. They got you doing like a lot of banded lateral movements.
Yeah, for sure.
Any difference in the low back? Does that feel the same?
Sure. Nah, it's a difference for sure.
Okay, good. So that's telling us that some of that low back tension is coming from your hips.
Okay.
Flip on your back. All right, let's check your hip flexors here. Push up against me here. Good. Keep the legs straight. We're going to rotate you out there. Push into my hand here. So keep the whole leg straight.
Okay.
Push here. Okay, good. Any discomfort in the hip at all?
No.
All right, good. Same thing here. Push straight up. Good. Rotate out. Push in here as well. Okay, good. We're going to check the hip flexors a little here.
Okay.
You stretching these?
For sure.
Okay.
Okay.
They don't feel that bad. You could have said yes. I would have complimented you. I would have been like, all right, you're doing good there.
Nah, I am.
No, it feels pretty good. We'll take a look at the feet after this, too. Your wrists are a little jammed up. They got you lifting a ton of weights, right?
Yeah, 100-pound dumbbells.
Yeah. I seen that you doing the, what are the monster walks?
Yeah.
Okay, a little jammed there. Okay, so we need a little bit more midfoot movement there. Good. Right there. Good. Okay, good. Nice. So every time you land, right, from a jump, that arch has got to kind of collapse to absorb that force.
Right.
So that it all doesn't go right into your knee. You're a little tight underneath your calf here. You feel that in there?
Yeah.
You're doing so much jumping, this just kind of is what it is, you know?
Right.
You're going to get some of that. Knees are doing good though?
Mm-hmm, for sure.
All right. Now bend this knee. We're going to bring this over the top here. This down a little bit more there. If we move you here, how are you doing?
It's a little tight.
Just a little tightness there?
Yeah.
Okay, now what we're going to do, we're going to bring the leg up. Okay, good. Now what I want you to do, push your lower back into the table.
Okay.
Yeah, good. You felt you got a little deeper stretch just from doing that?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Make sure you're breathing. Good. Push against me a little bit here. Very good. Then relax. Okay, good. Switch sides. Let's compare and see which side has a little less mobility. What are you feeling so far?
This side.
This side? Okay. Yeah, it's that left side. This is the side we got to focus on a little more with the mobility.
Right.
Oh, yeah, you're not kidding. Get that down there. Yeah, good. Good. Flatten that lower back again. Engage that core. Good. Push against my hand a little here. Yeah, there we go. Good. Relax. Yeah, good. 2 more big deep breaths. Okay, good. Come on down there. We'll shake it out a little bit. Let's see here. All right, good. Not too bad. Nice and even. This side maybe just a little bit more. I'm gonna do like a little distraction in that hip just to give you a little like decompression there.
Okay.
Let's double check here. Scooch back up there. Yeah, there you go. Okay, awesome. Let's do this, Jordyn. Stand up, move around a little bit for me. Let me see how the hips feel.
No, I feel good.
Feeling good?
Yes,
Let me
sir.
check you face down one more time. So you can go ahead right in the paper there. Go face down. Yeah. I want to see how that left side feels because what I don't want is that to lock right back up again on you.
Right.
That's actually a lot better. And that's all loose. Let's just stretch out a little bit more.
Okay.
This just kind of like a little bit of a fascial stretch, so not to any one specific muscle.
Got you.
Yeah, we'll just want to be as consistent with that as we can. We'll get kind of like a feel for the pattern and everything of like what stuff is holding longer than the other, what stuff is maybe still a little hung up.
Okay.
But honestly speaking, when you're doing that much training, man, your hips are gonna take a little bit of a beating, right?
Exactly.
When does the season start?
November.
Oh, not till November. Okay, so that's why you're training hard now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cool, man. Come on up. You were good. So especially when you're doing like deep tissue work like that, you don't want to overdo it either.
I got you.
You know what I mean? Like you got to be able to get up tomorrow and like train again.
Right.
You know, so if we do that for a good hour, it's like you go wake up a little sore and then you're gonna be screaming my name. You know what I mean? So anything else you got going on? Anything else you want me to check?
Nah.
Shoulders doing good?
Yeah.
Let me just check it real quick. Have a seat there. I didn't really check the shoulders too much. Yeah, your shoulders do pretty good. How about upper body? They have you weightlifting a lot for upper body, or is that like,
sure.
yeah, okay. Because I know you got to be careful. You don't want to get too. Oh, actually, feel that tendon right there?
Yeah.
Good. Because you got to, your shooting form is so important. You don't want to be like too bulky.
All right.
They have you weightlifting during season?
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
Every day.
Okay, good. Feeling great, man.
Appreciate
Get you tuned up.
Feeling good.
Absolutely, man.
Appreciate you.